everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living here on YouTube. Let's just dive right into today's video. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing a unboxing, a haul of our curriculum that we will be using in the upcoming school year. So I have 3 boxes beside me. Some of them are for my kindergartner that will be entering into our homeschool journey this fall. I'm so excited to navigate having 2 kids and figuring out a routine that works for us. And some of them are for my 2nd grader, and then I also have some family subjects. Now I will definitely be reusing some curriculum that we have from when my son was in kindergarten, so I will have a video coming up on my channel for 2nd grade picks and kindergarten picks. So this is not everything that we will be using. I also have some resources that we are currently using that will be carrying over into the next year. So definitely check out those videos when they come up to see what we will be using throughout our homeschool. So let's get started and dive into the boxes. So these are from a few different locations. This is from the Learning House, which is a local or a Canadian store front that sells homeschool curriculum. So in this box, I picked up this for my 2nd grader. This is the level 3 Let's Talk Science Adventures on Planet Earth. I do not know how I'm going to include this in our homeschool yet. He is super interested in the biomes and ecosystems, and he's already creating his own ecosystem boxes out of cardboard and things. So I wanted to go ahead and pick this up, and we're going to hopefully slowly work through it as a read aloud morning basket and do some of the activities for him. We will also be doing a different science from this, so we might not get to this year, but I wanted to go ahead and pick it up because he is already wanting to learn this. So I got this for him, and I will see how we include that in. All right, and then as a family subject, which I will most likely do a family subject video on my channel as well, but I picked up the Laying Down the Rails, the Simply Charlotte Mason Habits Handbook. I've been hearing so much about this, and I have been doing research on YouTube, and I just really think that it is a great thing. So I picked up the student books as well, and this is a course that is definitely going to take us a long time. From my research, it was saying that this could take you up to 10 years as you navigate all of the different habits and character traits and all of that. So I'm super excited to use that and to start implementing these things in my children's lives, and also just learn these certain things from a different perspective, because even as adults, we're still navigating a lot of these character traits, and we're needing to learn them all over again. So I'm excited for that. And then I will do the Amazon order. So here is my Amazon box. Only one of these items came in the box. They actually showed up individually, but I threw them all into the box so that it was easier for me to keep track of stuff as it was coming in. So for Bible this year with my 2nd grader, we will be doing the More Than Words Living Faith Bible curriculum, and I'm sure my kindergartner will be listening alongside, and if he wants to do some of the coloring pages, I can go ahead and photocopy that for him. We will have his own Bible curriculum, and I will share about that in his kindergarten video. But yeah, I'm excited to try this one out by Rebecca Spooner. And then we also got the My Story, My Country, My World 2. We used My Country, My Story 1 this last year, and we loved it. Now we are Canadian, so when it got to the parts about America, we just looked at it as that was another country, and when it got to Canada, we were like, we're home. And then we just did added our own Canadian studies in, but I just really love how this takes you through the world and teaches you all about the world from a Christian perspective. And this one in particular is really cool because it gives you the flag and you just learn so much more. So I'm excited to do that. And then we got the Adventures in the Physical World Level 2. So this is the main science curriculum that we will be using this year for my second grader. Yes. All right. So the next box is quite a lot of doodads, of fun resources. So this one came from Homeschool Canada, which is another curriculum store here in Canada. So first in the package, I got this deluxe Canadian rocks and minerals pack, and it comes with all of the rocks to hold and to see what they look like. The science book talks about that. So I wanted to go ahead and have them something for my boys to hold as they learn about that. And then for my kindergartner, I got the Blast Off to Reading a Learning activity book. We have the All About Reading program already. I have the manual. I used this with my first son, and now we just needed to go ahead and pick up a replacement. All right, and this is for my second grader. We have the Grade 2 Global Communities book. And then for my second grader, we have the Canada Map Book 1. And then for their math, we use a Jump Math mainly. I might be trying out something else as well, which I will let you know about in their individual studies or in my family studies. But we use Jump Math. It is the new Canadian edition. So this is like the Canadian curriculum that's like used in schools as well, but it's just super easy to use. It's like open and go. So these are the kindergarten books. There is 2 books. This is the first one, this is the second one, and yeah, it's black and white, just super simple, and I love them. And then I have the second grade ones. We are currently working through the first grade ones, so we will dive into these for second grade. So that is all of the new curriculum that I have purchased for the upcoming school year. Like I said, I have some curriculum we will be reusing, and I'll be sharing that in the individual videos. I also do have to order All About Reading Level 3. It is coming, but we are still currently working through Level 2, but I want to have that on hand for when we are ready for Level 3. And I have purchased a few downloads from The Good and the Beautiful as well. We use their handwriting program. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, our faith, motherhood videos, and a few things in between. So if you like that content, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.